Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dedra. I'm from Malawi and now I live in Finland. Today I'm going to Iso-Ruuhijarvi to eat sausages. I'm going to take a walk there. It's approximately 20 kilometers from where I stay, so tag along with me on this nice morning walk. See you there. So this is our starting point. From here to Iso-Ruuhijarvi, 10 kilometers and back 10 kilometers, so that makes it 20 kilometers in total. So this is our path where we're going to start from, and yeah, let's go. So how do you feel about our last autumn walk? Probably because it's gonna start snowing pretty soon.
Yeah, let's see if it's gonna be our last or if we still get a chance to go for another one before the winter really arrives.
Yeah, it's a windy day today. It's cold, so I have like 2 layers of clothing, like warm cloth, so 2 hoodies. I have one underneath, and I have the gloves and my pants, my outdoor pants, and a pair of pantyhose inside, and some woolen socks, and just my walking shoes.
Yeah, I'm just wearing my regular winter shoes. Not really the Finnish winter shoes, just the ones I used in Kosovo. And some padded pants, technical t-shirts and hoodie, and then just this Nepalese jacket, and of course my trusty woolly hat. Do you think we'll meet anyone on this path? I mean, it's a pretty cold day, windy day. Maybe some dog walkers, but I think once we get further, the probability of seeing anyone is pretty low. We might arrive at the very opposite end of the lake where we were last time we were frying sausage there. I'm not sure exactly where the path comes to, but if we come there, then I think maybe we don't walk all the way to the other end of the lake. Maybe we just make a fire there. If there's, I don't know, there's no wind protection there though, so it's not so great on such a windy day. Yeah, in a lavu would be better. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Oh, look, a squirrel.
Oh yeah. Squirrel guy.
These squirrels, they eat the pine cones?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not the... They don't eat the hardened old pine cones, but the young ones. And even there, they don't eat the hard part, but the part that's close to the center, to the core.
Okay.
It's like artichoke, that the root of the leaf has like a tiny bit of something to eat. But I think squirrels also eat all kinds of things like bird eggs. I'm not sure what else. I suppose they're mainly vegetarian.
Nuts.
Nuts. Yeah, but what kind of nuts do you have here?
Walnuts. Ground nuts.
Pretty sure walnuts and groundnuts don't grow in Finnish forests. Very hard business.
Yeah.
I wish the path was easier, that you didn't have to watch every step, like is it wet or not. Hopefully it'll get better now. I have to jump. How else we gonna get across by? I mean, there's a log over there. But I think jumping, or just stepping over is easier. Oh no. Shit. wait to eat some sausage. I'm already hungry. And I ate a lot this morning. I ate yogurt, I ate a bit of curry. Did I eat something else? I guess just those things. So if we make it there and back, then we can tell people that, or not tell people, but your application will show us like in the at least top 15%. And it's not like everyone, it's just the people, the sporty people who are using that application. I wonder what kind of a person would have most use for the application. Like if it has to be your work to walk basically.
Yeah.
Unless you're one of those weird guys that spends their whole life walking around. Like there's this one guy who's been walking around UK for like the last 7 years. Yeah, with his dog. I think he probably gets like so fucking many steps every day. Like he's just like 10,000. Like nah, before 7 o'clock in the morning I get 10,000. Probably walks like 150,000 steps every fucking day. 70 kilometers. Yeah, get good. Oops, get good. But yeah, maybe if you're like a forest ranger, your job is just basically walk in the forest, observe things.
Oh, this is strange.
Is it a pond? Looks like it might be a pond. Or is it just swamp? Oh, slippery.
So now I think I have completed almost 5 kilometers and I have 5 kilometers more left to get to the lake. But it's been a tough walk because the swamps, like just too many, and it's been like this throughout, so it's kind of slowing me down. And you can see right here, winter is coming. There is so much frost, so you see that it's icy. Yeah, so it's been like this throughout the path. You can even see here. So sometimes I have to go walk around the forest because the path is not as I expected it to be, so kind of slowing me down a bit. Yeah. Just nice to So we are kind of faced with a dilemma here, to continue walking to Ruuhijarvi or to go back or go to the nearest lake, because we started off a little bit late, and for us to get to Ruuhijarvi, it's gonna take us like 48 minutes from now. This is around 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and the sun is gonna set soon. So we are actually worried that we might get stuck in the forest, and we can really see when the sun sets in the late afternoon, like around 4 or 5. It's gonna be very dark soon. So right now we are kind of debating about it. So what do you think we should do? Should we go back?
Yeah, I don't think we wanna get stuck in the dark forest.
Yeah.
It'll take us 2 more hours to reach there. 1 more hour for eating. At that point it'll be 5 o'clock. It's gonna be dark.
Yeah, so we will go back now. See you guys. Oh, now we have reached this pond. What's the name of this pond?
Oikanlampi.
Iso-Ruuhijarvi. So this is where we are going to grill our sausages and eat some food. We have been walking for almost 4.5 hours. We are so tired and hungry, and we are looking forward to making some food. This is the pond. This is the path. It's nice. It's made of lumber, and you can fish in this pond. You can also come here to swim in the summertime. I have been here before so many times, and they have this cute bridge that we are crossing now. So see you at the grill place. So we just got here. This is where we were hoping to end our day and grill our sausages, but unfortunately there is no firewood, so we just have to go back home. And yeah, this is the place. It's awesome, amazing. And just a quick tour of this. What do you call this in Finnish?
Oh, not sure what you call this. I guess just a hangout place.
Yeah, this is just a hangout place. You can come here and hang out, drink some beers, grill with your friends, and have an awesome day. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. We're gonna make another trip to Iso-Ruuhijarvi, and hopefully we're gonna plan it very well and make sure that we get there on time. If you like this video, press on that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Until